Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about CSS height and width. So in CSS we can use the height and the width property, and we can set the height and width of an element. Like an example, inside the style tag we can select the h1 element, and then I'm going to use some border 1 pixel solid red. Now we can use the height property and we can set the height of the h1 element like 200 pixel. So you can see the h1 element has the height of 200 pixel. Similarly, also we can set width of the h1 element like 200 pixel. So this way we can set the height and width of one element. And also we need to remember that whenever we set the height of the element, then it only means the height of the content area. It does not include the padding or the border or the margin around the content. Similarly, whenever we set the width of the element, then it only meant the width of the content area. It does not include the padding or the border or the margin around the content. So the value of the height or the width property can be auto. So this is the default value, and the browser will calculate the height and width automatically. And also we can use one length in pixel like 200 pixel, and also we can use percentage like the width can be set to 50%. So this way it will take 50% of the browser width. So next we have the max width property. So the max width property is used to set the maximum width of one element. So we can have the max width as 500 pixel, and this way the h1 element can have the maximum width of 500 pixel. So this is the way we can use the height and the width property to set the height and the width of one element in CSS. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.